Hello, my name is Marcela Toro from the ground 911-2136. I decided to work to the Cerrejón Coal Company because it is well known the environmental damage caused by a company dedicated to coal mining due to the deforestation is caused in the areas where this activity is carried out. The pollution is produced in the air and water, generating millions of toxic particles for living beings. It is also now the amount of the way that a company dedicated to the extraction of coal needs daily to the archival is operated. For this reason, I requested this company to propose to the design and implement action plans to mitigate the environmental damage that compensates the damage caused to the environment caused by coal mining. Some plants might include building ponds away from water source, regeneration of the disturbed areas, control over the gas emissions produced.